Hello grade 4, how are you? Today we have vocabulary. So today you will learn new words, okay? The words are attracted, dazzling, fabric, greed, honest, requested, sword, trudged. Again, attracted, dazzling, fabric, greed, honest, the H is silent, requested, sword, and trudged. Okay, now let's start with the first one, which is attracted. So what does attracted mean? It means drew the attention of. Attracted, it's in the past. Okay, drew the attention of. Attract as to draw the attention of. For example, the bright colored flower attracted a butterfly. The bright colored flower attracted a butterfly. Or for example, the bright colors attracted me. Okay, the bright colors attracted me. Okay, the bright colored flower attracted a butterfly. So attracted is to draw the attention of. To draw the attention of. Okay, it's a verb. It's a verb. Try to use it in a sentence. Okay. The second one is dazzling. It means bright. It's an adjective. It means bright. Now, how to use it in a sentence? My sister asked for dazzling silk. My sister asked for dazzling silk. For bright silk. Okay. My sister asked for bright silk. Try to use it in a sentence. Then fabric. It's a noun. Fabric is a noun. It means a cloth that's used for making clothes. Okay, fabric is a noun. It's a cloth. Okay, cloth. Now, how to use it in a sentence? The girls' clothes are made from fabric. The girls' clothes are made from fabric. Try to use fabric in a sentence. It's a noun. Then greed. It's an adjective. It's a selfish desire to have or get something. Okay, selfish desire to have or get something. For example, they took the last piece out of greed. Okay, so it's an adjective. It's a selfish desire to have or get something. Greed. Okay. Honest is an adjective. It's an adjective. It means truthful. Okay, be honest, truthful. For example, the honest person returned the lost money. Now try to use honest in a sentence. An adjective. It's an adjective. Okay, try to use it in a sentence. The honest person returned the lost money. Requested. It's a verb. It means to ask. Okay, ask. In the past, asked. Okay, for example, my mother requested brilliant jewels. Asked. Okay, asked. Requested. Asked. It's a verb. Okay, try to use it in a sentence. Then sword. Sword means to fly. Okay, fly. It's a verb. Fly. It's an action. Fly. Now, for example, the seagull soared upward high over the ocean. Fly. Okay, fly. Try to use it in a sentence. Trudged means to walk slowly and with heavy steps. Okay, trudged means to walk slowly and with heavy steps. It's a verb, to walk slowly. Okay, now how to use it in a sentence? The tired hikers trudged slowly up the path. Okay? The tired hikers trudged slowly up the path. So it means to walk slowly, to walk slowly. Now please read the words again and try to use them in sentences. Try to write sentences using the words, okay? Bye bye.